Here is something that doesn't break every day. At first I was like, oh, who vandalized my car? But actually the snow fell. Look at this tiny tail! First pop this off. Yay, I got it out. This one just popped on there. And this is how you change the front wiper blade. I think I need to put it like... I think it's not wiping quite correctly. So funny story. This wiper here is actually not the correct one. It's actually from 2005 or 6 Lexus. It almost fits, but you can see that this is now a replacement which is correct. So you can see that this part here is a bit longer, and it does hold it a little bit different angle here. So if I put it over, so it's 14. So the fucking plot thickens. This is my broken one, the original one. And this is from a Lexus as well. But if you look at this, my best guess is that this is from a right-hand drive car, not a left-hand drive car. Is it to the different side, but the hole for the rivet is also in a different location. So I made a new hole. This is the old location, this is the new location. How fucked up is that? In retrospect, I should have drilled through here. No one cares. I'll rivet this back. These are also different lengths, the springs. So, but oh my god. So this was supposed to be a quick 5-minute job. Fuck windshield wipers. I had never thought this would be a fucking hassle. I put it too low. God damn it. I'm okay with that. Jesus fucking Christ.